Good morning. So today is wala tayong pasok and it's my vacation day, and I just went to pharmacy or grocery to buy a pregnancy test, and here I'm gonna share with you my pregnancy journey. But here, so I just took my pregnancy test and ito yung result niya. Oh my goodness, I can't believe it. Can you see that? I can't wait to tell my husband about this. So ako lang mag-isa ngayon sa bahay, and yun, si Habi kasi is nasa work siya. I'm excited to tell this to him. This is the result. Yay, it's really confirmed. We are pregnant. Aww. Yan. Hi everybody. So now we have an appointment, Opikaini appointment. This is our first and official appointment sa aming Opikaini, and inayos lang muna natin yung ating order na dumating from Sukli. It's a Filipino store, and now we're heading to our OB. Ayan, so sama ko kayo sa aming OB checkup today. Ayan. So ito yung ating pinaka first and official OBGYN na appointment natin. And ang gagawin lang natin is kukunan lang tayo ng dugo ngayon. So we're gonna go downstairs and do some blood works. Ayan. So mabilis lang yung kanilang pagkuha ng dugo, and hindi mo talaga mararamdaman na kinuha ng ka ng dugo. So fast forward tayo. Yan, September 17. We're heading again sa aming OBGYN appointment. So every appointment, talagang lagi ko kasama si Hubby. And those times is magsusonogram tayo at imimit natin ng ating OBGYN doctor. So ito is puro mga short clip lang ng aking appointment dahil bawal yung mag-video sa loob. So kumuha lang ako ng ilang mga clips during my OBGYN appointment. So dyan is waiting lang tayo dyan. So, October 15, 2024, yan yung araw ng ating glucose test, at pumunta lang tayo dun sa lab para inumin yung ating pang-glucose. Bali may nakabantay sa akin dyan hanggang sa maubos ko yung juice. So, within 5 minutes kailangan ko siyang maubos. And then, after ko siyang inumin, magkatabi kami dun sa taas at naghintay kami like an hour. At after nun is babalik ulit kami dun sa baba para kunin yung aking dugo. And thankfully, nakapasa naman tayo sa ating glucose test. So, after ng aming OBGYN appointment, dumiretso kami sa aming next appointment, yung aming 3D and 4D ultrasound. So, Glimpse of Love, yung pangalan ng clinic, and I am so excited talaga na makita kung sino ang kamukha ng aming baby. So, during those times, medyo malaki na ang ating baby bump, but carry pa rin. Kaya pa rin yan. So, ayan. Pumasok lang kami dun sa loob. So, sa second floor yung clinic, at umakit lang tayo dun sa taas. Very friendly yung nag-assist sa amin, yung nag-ultrasound sa akin. At yan, outfit check muna tayo. So, yan ang ating outfit. At sobra kaming natuwa dun sa aming 3D, 4D ultrasound. So, yun na lang muna ipapakita kong video. Yan, fast forward ulit tayo. December 13, 2024. Ito yung aking third from the last na doctor's appointment before ako manganak. So, ayan.